How to find the train schedule using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can check the train schedule using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So in order to check the train schedule, simply open up your IRCTC Rail Connect application, and once the application opens it might give you an alert, so you will need to click onto this OK button in order to dismiss that. Then it will lead you towards the login page, and in order to log in you need to click onto this login button at the top right. Then you can log in using your 4-digit pin or your biometric authentication as well, but it is not mandatory to log in. Then after you are done verifying, you can click onto this train option, and then from here you can click onto this train schedule button right here. So once you click onto this train schedule button, you will need to enter the train number, and once you will enter the train number you can click onto this submit button, and now you can see all of the train schedule. It includes all of the station that the train passes through, whereas the source and the destination, which is the final destination of this train, are highlighted in blue color like this. And apart from that, you can access the timings, which are the arrival time, the departure time, and also the day and the distance in kilometers for each and every station where this train has a halt. And just make sure that it only covers those stations where the train will stop or it does have a halt. It will not cover each and every station it passes through. So that's how easily you can get the train schedule for your desired train using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.